Vital records, birth, marriage and death, are the basis of your family tree. Remember, these records weren't created with the family historian in mind, so it may not be easy to find an individual. In this video we're going to look at birth, marriage and death registration, civil registration, which starts in England and Wales in 1837. Start your research with your grandparents' marriage. From this certificate you can find their ages and then look for their births. From that certificate you can look for a potential marriage, and so your research goes back in time. There are just two key websites to use for England and Wales births, marriages and deaths. FreeBMD is an index, and you should buy the certificate from the GRO